regarding this project. Once you open the Mac Realty Company folders, you will see the folder called Rhymes. So you will see four subfolders in this folder, main folder. Let us go to the location map of this project. When you open the location map of this project, you will get a location link. And when you click that link and you click on that link, the location opens. So this project, it is located on the Kulshekar Shaktinagar road. So if I'm putting the satellite view, I'll explain you regarding this project. So basically, when you're coming from the Bikanakate junction, from Nantur junction, you pass by the Bikanakate junction and you're coming towards uh, the Kulshekar road. You take a left on this road. You're pass by this mall which is under construction, and you have to pass by this Kulshekar post office. When you come on this road and go straight, you'll get a junction. On your right side will be Inchara Bar. So this is like a landmark. So opposite to Inchara Bar, you take the Shaktinagar road. You will pass by this building called Luminous by Rowan Corporation. And little ahead from this on this road, on your left side, you will arrive at two buildings. The left side building is called Siddhivinayaka Rhymes, which is the project we are talking about. So in this project, Siddhivinayaka Rhymes, it comprises of 5 floors. So I will explain to you regarding the floor plan of this project. So this project is located on the Shaktinagar main road, and this is a bus route. So what happens when there is a bus route is that it's very easy to reach this place. And next to this, you will see one more huge building that is by Nidhi Land, which is called Rosary Cottage. So when you're going on this Shaktinagar road, you'll find that this location is hardly around 300 to 350 meters. So this is the location, and this is the junction, and this is the route. This is the bus route. Okay, and this location is very close to various landmarks. So if you see, there are schools, there are religious places, and you will see that the market, the Kaikamba market, is very close by, and you can also see that we are not very far from the Nantur junction. And Nantur to Pampel, as you know, is a place where the main service bus stand is planned. So this is the place where the service bus stand is planned, this area. So we are not very far from the main landmarks, and located within a matter of 3 to 4 kilometers from all the major landmarks of Mangalore city. So schools, religious places, the mall. This mall is currently under construction. It is called the Lotus Mall now. Earlier it was called Plama Mall, and this will be the one of the biggest malls in Mangalore. But for some reason, it is not under. It is still in the construction phase, not yet in the finishing stage. But in some time, when this mall comes up, this will be a very good landmark, and not very far from this location. So if you don't consider that mall also, if you take that area as a whole, since it is a bus route, the connectivity is really good to most of the main places. So now coming to the other folders, if you go to Rhymes, you will see that the gallery page. So in the gallery, you can see the entire building. This is the elevation plan, which is the drawing, and this is we have made a small animation GIF video which you can share to anybody. And this is the building's image. This is the lobby, granite lobby. Two lifts are there, and there is a mezzanine floor. Like, I would like to explain to you that part. If you're opening this, you will see that these windows, you can see this is the mezzanine floor, and after that you get the ground floor. So due to this, there are two plans. One is your ground floor plan, and one is a typical plan. So let me just explain to you the plans by showing it to you. Now if I'm going to the folder brochure and plans, you will see the ground floor plan. See, in the ground floor, since there is no balcony, the size of two bedroom is 1070 and size of three bedrooms 1280. So these flats are in the affordable segment. We can give a two bedroom in the range of 35 lakhs with all inclusive except for the registration. So in this project, the advantage of this project is that you will be able to give bigger size flats for a, nominal rate. So if you see the lobby, once you enter the lobby, two lifts are there, and this flat number 1 and 2 are next to the main road. So you can see the road here. So what happens is every flat you will see that there is a sit out, a big sit out is provided. For example, 1170, it is got by almost 56 square feet of sit out. So that when somebody comes to your house, you have a big sit out space. There is a kitchen, there is a bedroom, two bedrooms are there in this plan, and a 3 bhk is 1280. Advantage of this project is we can give flats in the range of 35 lakhs for two bedroom, and the bigger flats, you can have more living space and more benefits, but the price will be in the range of 35 to around 40 to 43 lakhs. And similarly, the 3 bhk can be offered in the range of 50 to 55 lakhs, and some may go up to even 60, but then we have a very good negotiation offer for mac realty customers. So you can see this project. This is a completed project and ready to occupy project, and it has already got the completion certificate. So this is the plan of the ground floor. If you come to the first floor, that is a typical plan again. So you can see that in the first floor the size of the 3 bhk is 1700, but the size of two bedroom is also 1650. So you see that they have given a lot of importance for space. All the bedrooms, they have balconies, huge balcony spaces are there. Kitchen has got utility space. Some of you who require a bigger kitchen, the both the kitchen and utility space can be merged, and a bigger kitchen can be provided if required. And you can see the general layout of the flats. So what happens is, a 3 bhk is 1700 square feet. You can see the layout. There is a living room, there's a balcony, kitchen has got utility, bedrooms all have got balcony, so they all open out. And now coming to the documents, this is a small write-up regarding this project, regarding what are the specifications, what are the amenities being provided. So as such, this is a small and sweet project for somebody who's looking for an affordable house in without compromising on space. So I have explained today regarding the location map. You can all go through the gallery. You can share this images and with your friends, and you can also learn regarding the brochure and the plans by visiting the folder. So always remember that any company project will be provided in this folder. So after rhymes, our next video will be regarding riverfront, which is an under construction project at Jepinamogero. Thank you for your time.